Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
Yeah!
I'm going to show you.
Welcome to Pappy's 10th season. What a ride it's been.
Let's ride!
Hey, you know, last year Pappy's Corner went over 1 million views. I've gone from the baffling buffoon in the corner,
Chatterbocker Roger to Roger Barker Stowe, can you read me? Over.
to the sophisticated cornerman today with profound insights. I believe the next technological advances will come from the sciences of DNA, genetics, where multitudes of people, the masses, will be responsible for life-changing advances. Okay, for season 10, would you prefer this clean, sanitary environment with Pappy? Or would you prefer something more like this? How about a fireside chat type motif? Well, I'm definitely not very sanitary, so let's do the fireside chat. You know, I keep things a bit more serious these days, but you never know when I'm going to throw in some buffoonery.
You know, I try to find the gullibility of people, and when I find that, then I play on that, you know. Like, I deal out a little bit of BS at a time, just so that the average guy, you know, he can't tell that I'm baffling. And it's that way I operate.
Let's talk about where things are at. But first, I'd like to give a shout out to Steve Hereford. That's where much of my awesome background music comes from. His link is in the description. You know, I took a 6-month vacation, and now I need your view time. So, if you'd be so kind and show me some love, go and watch something. Watch a playlist or two. I've got 10 of them out there. And after 10 years of Pappy's Corner, I have over 300 videos. Stuff like this. This is where a lot of the more high-tech fixes go on to fix 90% of the stuff around this place. So we don't do any of that duct tape fixing stuff around here. So here I am, duct tape all stuck together here. Note to self, never try to tape a fix unless I try it first. Okay, when you're at Pappy's Corner commenting, I groove on the fact that y'all call me Pappy. Whenever someone calls me by my name, Roger, I'm not in tune with that. That's what my mother calls me. Everyone else, out of respect, calls me Pappy. Cell phone videos. Yeah, I know they're the craze. But the screen, you know, it's shaped like a cell phone. I think it's a cop-out. I hardly ever watch them. I like the full-size landscape type widescreen videos. Those are the ones I watch. Okay, for season 10, I'll continue with the Toolaholic Tuesdays. And I'm going to bring on a new series called The Dakota Project, where you'll see money and wrenching being thrown at a 23-year-old Dodge Dakota. Pappy's son rescued it from a boneyard. I think for Pappy's 10-year anniversary, it's time for another giveaway. All right, I have tees with a P and boxers with a P in the corner. All right. So, I'll break out the bingo balls to pick the winners.
We need to mix them up good. There we go.
Stay tuned for more on that. I'm going ahead and kicking off season 10 with some clips and pics from the past 10 years and show you what it takes to get over 1 million views. And you can start showing me some view time love starting right now.
If you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I am gone. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles. 100 miles, 100 miles. 100 miles, 100 miles. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles. Lord, I'm one. Lord, I'm two. Lord, I'm three. Lord, I'm four. Lord, I'm 500 miles from my home. Away from home, away from home, away from home, away from home. Lord, I'm 500 miles from my home. Not a shirt on my back, not a penny to my name. Lord, I can't go back home this away. This away, this away, this away, this away. Lord, I can't go back home this away. If you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I am gone. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles.
And thank you everyone for your support, and especially a big shout out to Steve Hereford for this awesome rendition of 100 Miles Away from Home. And yes, you will need this in the corner. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.